Unreal. What's up guys, my name is Torrin and we're back with another fishing video. Today we're back on the Bow River. It's supposed to get cold next week, so we wanted to try to get out a couple more times before that happened. We're sitting at about like +1, +2. It's not too cold, not so much wind, so hopefully we get into a couple fish.
Nice.
See ya. Red wire, baby. Alright guys, got this awesome brown here. Super deep. The color on it is amazing. You want to zoom in on that? Yeah. Those orange spots. Unreal. Super slow, super deep, like we're almost 11 feet deep, just ticking off the bottom, just in these deep troughs here. All right, so Steve's hooked up to a few whitefish. I think he's at like 3 or 4 now, decent size. I can't believe the color on them. They're very, very purple. After that decent little brown we got just in the trough up here, super slow, super deep, hitting the bottom lots, pulling shit off the bottom lots, but was able to hook into that nice brown. Now we found another sweet hole. It's kind of got a back eddy, so we're gonna toss on a couple streamers and try that out. Alright, so no luck streamer fishing. The wind has picked up a little bit. It's gotten cold on our fingers, so we're taking off. But a couple good fish. Inner city fishing. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see Steve.